To create shorts, start by opening the Vidyo.ai website on your phone or desktop. Once open, paste a link to a podcast or video into the designated area. Podcasts tend to work well, but other types of videos can also be used. After uploading the video, click Get Free Clips to begin the process, which can be done completely for free. If you don't have an account, create one by entering an email and password. The video will then be uploaded and displayed, allowing you to view the automatically generated shorts, which come with a score and captions. You can play, edit, and download these shorts, and then upload them to your platform of choice. The process is straightforward. Simply click Edit, then Download, and your short is ready to use. This method provides an easy way to create shorts using Vidyo.ai.